Hi there, this is Juan with LGG Media, and in this quick video I'm going to show you how to essentially remove people from a workflow after you added somebody into the workflow. The use case for this video is, let's say you have 10 people that you added into your workflow, and then halfway through after you added them, you're like, oh crap, I need to remove them now. So how do you do it is the question. So it's fairly straightforward. After you added the people in the workflow, there's only one way to remove them. You have to go to history. You can see them in history. You actually have to go to status. Let me actually push our test record here. So we're going to push Renuskis Koluskis. So that record is through now. So you can see in history that it just executed. It was just added to the workflow, 517. It's now waiting for the next step. I added a wait step there of like 10 hours. so we could actually do this live. So say we have this contact waiting for the next step. For you to remove them, you either have to click on the detail page, which takes you, actually not here, my apologies. You go to status, you're going to see that the individual here was added. And you only can remove them if you click on this X at the end. Then it's going to automate. It's going to show you that it's finished. And you can confirm that also as well if you go to history and you see that it was finished in the timestamp. Okay, that's the only way to do this. Unfortunately, there's no bulk way of executing this. That's it. That's how you remove somebody from a workflow after you added them and you needed to remove them. The other way, the safe way, to prevent this from happening next time is use the test function to do this, or think about the structure of everything.